Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a back to school video. So I know some of you guys are excited, some of you guys are not, but anyway, it's time for back to school. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing some college tips. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are new, hello, my name is Alma. I do many types of videos here on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 8 college tips. Tip number 1, read your syllabus. Your syllabus is your friend. Your syllabus basically contains all the contact information of your teacher, due dates, policies of the class, materials that you need for the class. Highlight any important information and put it in the front of your binder that has a transparent front, and put it in there so you can remind yourself when things are due. So read your syllabus. Your syllabus is your friend. Number 2, sit in the front of the class. I know sitting in the front of the class is not for everybody, but it actually helps you hear what your professor's saying, see what your professor is doing, and actually helps you learn what type of style your professor shows. So sit in the front of the class. I know some of us don't like it, but it actually helps you a lot. Number 3, write down all of your assignments. Writing down all of your assignments can help you out a lot. Get a planner. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. It could be a really cheap planner, and pull like all your assignments when they are due. This helps you stay organized, not forget about deadlines and due dates. So get a planner, put the due dates, highlight everything. Get a planner. Number 4, print out your notes. Print out your notes if your teacher has them online a day before. Read them, or an hour before, and read the notes. This helps you understand the lecture of that class, what the lecture is talking about, and rewrite the notes after class. Also during class, write notes. I know it's extra writing, but write notes. Rewriting notes helps you a lot. Memorize things, learn things. So you can make your notes really pretty, make sketches of what you're learning. If you have like anatomy, you have like good sketching, good sketching skills. Write your notes, make them nice, so it's actually like good for your eye that you want to see your notes. So rewrite your notes. Number 5, study ahead. Studying actually helps you a lot. Don't study the night before exam and expect to know everything the next day. Study ahead. This will help you have less stress on yourself the day of exam. There's sometimes when I had 2 exams the same day, so studying ahead would actually help me out a lot. Don't study the night of the exam and be all stressed up. Study. Number 6, find a study buddy. A study buddy is somebody that you can ask for, like if you didn't get something from the notes, or somebody that if you were sick and you miss a day of school, you can ask them what they did in class the day before, and he can help you out. He can also help you out understand the material if you don't understand the material. So find a study buddy, exchange phone numbers, and find a study buddy. Number 7, manage your time properly. Managing your time properly is actually going to help you a lot. Make a schedule, stick to it if sometimes you get out of the schedule, because there's things that don't go as we plan them. Try to get back on schedule. This is going to help you stay organized, get all the due dates from your syllabus, and put it on your schedule so you know when things are due. So that way you have like 3 forms of remind yourself when things are due and deadlines. So make a schedule. Number 8, if possible, get 1 day or half a day or like 2 hours where you can like go bowling or relax, go to the beach. This is actually going to help you de-stress yourself, stay calm, forget about the homework. But 1 day or like half a day or 2 hours where you can do something that you want and not have it to be homework. So de-stress yourself, forget about the things that you have. This is actually going to help you a lot. So that's everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy these tips. You can also use these in high school. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.